Welcome back to the Lone Ranger Radio Show with Bruce Woodburn, CrossCountry Mortgage. I'm the Lone Ranger. If you have questions for me, you can text or call me at 407-706-3313. That's 407-706-3313. Or you can visit my website and apply online. The easiest doggone application process you'll ever find at WeBringYouHome.com. Thank you so much for tuning in on this beautiful Sunday. You know, you got so much going on in your own family, and yet you take the time to listen to my show. I hope you find it not only entertaining, but informative. I want to talk about one more thing before we wrap up this last 5 minutes of this show, and that's how to get your offer accepted. So it's the biggest challenge that I'm finding people having in the market. Matter of fact, I spend the weekends calling listing agents, letting them know how strong my buyers are that I have them pre-approved, and you know what they do? They don't call back. They don't call back, and I'm going to tell you something. I find that that's irritating and irresponsible, because if you ask a real estate agent, what's the biggest challenge you have in mortgage lenders? They say communication, and yet their communication is lackluster at best. You want a great lender that'll communicate? Call me. But here's how I'm going to help you. When you go out to make an offer, if you go to your bank or your credit union, I'm going to tell you this much right now. Their rate may not be any different than mine. It may be the same, but you're not going to get the loan officer calling the listing agent on the weekend. You're not going to get that bank giving you the seller guarantee. So here's what you get from me, and listen up if you're a real estate agent. When I pre-approve your loan, you're going to closing. I am not writing these pre-approvals that are barely even a pre-qualification at best. You will supply me with all your documents, and I will close your loan on time. All you got to do is get me everything I need so I can fully approve you. When you're fully approved through my Fast Track program, ask me for Fast Track, I will give your seller a guarantee that we're going to close. Now, why do I do that? Because I want you, my client, my buyer, to be able to win in the offer. And if you're up against 15 other offers, it's really hard to win. So I have to position you so you're as close to a cash buyer as I can. Now, how do I do that? I guarantee the seller that I'll close in 30 days or less. I can oftentimes close in as little as 10 days, 30 days or less. Okay. Now, if I don't close on time, I will pay the seller up to $500 per day for every day I miss that closing, up to $5,000. Okay, so the seller's guaranteed. Now, will your bank do that? The one that sends your loan to India? No. Will your credit union do that? No. Will they call on the weekend? No. Will they call after Friday after 3 o'clock? No. Will they return your call by Monday at 5 o'clock? Maybe. Okay, do you want a lender that's active in the process, assisting you as an advocate? Then you hire Bruce Woodburn, CrossCountry Mortgage, the Loan Arranger, to help you get the contract, because you got no house if you don't have the contract. You're just going to get frustrated, and every day you miss out on that transaction, your prices go up. Heck, they went up like $10,000, $15,000 just in the last month. Do you think they're going to go down? People keep saying, oh, they're going to go down. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait. You know what you're going to wait for? You're going to wait and go broke. You're going to wait and make a big mistake, and then you're going to wish you did not wait. Don't wait. Waiting is not for winners. All right, get in the market right now. You choose the Loan Arranger. You're going to love the process. You get return phone calls. You get Tuesday updates. You get a guaranteed closing. You get a lender that's going to advocate for you. You got a lender that's going to make a promise to the listing agent and to the seller to help you get a contract. That's what you get when you hire me. Hire me. I'm applying for the job. I will work my butt off to make sure you're a happy customer. I'm not going to schlep you off and call you a loan number. You are a human being and a family that depends on getting in that house, and you need somebody like me that's going to be there for you. So hire me. Write my number down. You know somebody that needs me right now. 407-706-3313. That's 407-706-3313, or WeBringYouHome.com. God bless each and every one of you. Thank you so much for listening to my show. Please, please, think about me when it comes to real estate or mortgage needs. I'm asking you to think about me and write my number down, 407-706-3313. Have a blessed Sunday. Thank you again, and I look forward to talking to you all and seeing you all again next week, same time.